by preparing chocolate Easter eggs. Place a knife in hot water. You'll also need paper towel and hollow Easter eggs. Dry the knife completely. Gently run the knife over the middle of the Easter egg to cut the Easter egg in half. Biscuit base. I've used 100 grams of Lotus Biscoff biscuits, 40 grams of butter melted, and 100 grams of Oreo cookies. Place Biscoff biscuits in the blender and make into fine crumbs. Pour Biscoff crumbs into a bowl. Add a small amount of melted butter to the crumbs. Mix. Add a little more butter if needed. Stir to combine. Spoon small amounts of biscuit crumbs into each Easter egg. Gently press the crumbs and place in the fridge to firm. Place Oreos in a blender and pulse until crumbs form. Add small amount of butter to the Oreo mixture, then pulse to combine. Place Oreo mixture in a bowl. Remove some of the Oreo crumbs for garnishing. Add more butter to the Oreo crumbs, mix to combine. Add small amounts of Oreo crumbs to each of the Easter eggs. Refrigerate. No bake cheesecake filling. 250 grams of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of icing sugar, 3/4 cup of cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Beat the cream cheese until smooth. Add the cream and whisk to combine. Add icing sugar and whisk. Add vanilla essence. Whisk. Whip until stiff peaks form. Put half cheesecake mixture in a separate bowl and add the leftover Oreo crumbs to the cheesecake mixture. Fold in Oreo crumbs. Add 1/3 cup of chocolate hazelnut spread to the other half of cheesecake mixture. Stir to combine. Fill a piping bag with Oreo cheesecake. Snip the top off a piping bag and pipe Oreo cheesecake mix to the Oreo crumb Easter eggs. Refrigerate for 2 hours. For the choc hazelnut cheesecake, if you don't want to pipe the cheesecake mixture, you can spoon the mixture in the eggs. Refrigerate for 2 hours. Once chilled and set, decorate. Like this recipe? Subscribe and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.